Hello there, people. Welcome back to another vlog. Gonna do a bit of a review today on this TDM850 1993. I've had it now for about, oh god, 4 months. Quite enjoying it. There's only one thing I miss, which is the inline 4 noise, but I mean, this sounds pretty cool. Hopefully you can hear it alright, like. Hopefully you can hear me alright, because I've got a new mic, new GoPro. So, well, if you're watching this, then obviously sounds alright. Full of a cold, so if you hear me sniffing and all that crap, yeah, I'm sorry. So, my thoughts on the TDM then. Well, it's comfy, very comfy. I'm basing it off the CBR I had before it, CBR 600F 998. Obviously this isn't a sports bike, it's a, you know, adventure bike. But yeah, I like it. It's comfy. Sounds alright, I suppose. You know, it's an inline twin, 5 valves per cylinder. It's got 3 inlet valves on each cylinder and 2 exhaust valves for some reason. It's only 77 horsepower, but I mean, all in well. Pulls really well. It's only got 5 gears. To be honest, that's all you need. Like, it revs to 8,000 revs, but for some reason this goes past it, so I don't know if there's a de-restriction or anything like that that you can do to them. But this probably revs to about 14,000 for some reason. But it doesn't bother me. On a private road I've had 125 out of it. Could probably do a little bit more, but I was just sat up straight, normal. Happily cruises down motorways at, well, yeah, you know, the 70 mile an hour. But like, I'm in 5th gear now. I'm in top gear, and it'll just pull away. It's got an amazing amount of torque, but that's obviously because it's inline twin. But yeah, I like it. I do like it. It's quite a heavy bike, because, well, it's a big bike. So yeah, I looked at reviews on YouTube before I got it, and they were saying, oh, it's heavy, blah 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 blah. Yes, it's heavy when it's on the stand. You know, taken off the stand, a bit heavy. But I mean, you can throw it about. It handles really good. I don't know if that's to do with wheel sizes, like the front wheel's an 18 and the rear wheel's a 17. So maybe that bigger front wheel's just, you know, allows you to throw it about like I suppose it'd be like a motocross bike or something along them lines. But yeah, I mean, it's a good bike. Good bike. Some pops and crackles out of it as well. I've got a well, it came with a full system Micron exhaust. Well, I've left the Micron downpipes on it, and I've put a Lextech YP4 end cam on it, just to get that big, you know, that big twin noise out of the back. But when you get in high revs, it sounds like a triple for some reason. I'll show you now. Yeah, I mean, it pulls really well. Obviously it's got nothing on like my CBR. That was fast, you know. It's got nothing on that. I'll tell you what, I'll pull over, you can have a look at it. There you go. up here and give you a little walk around of it. Here. So here it is, a TDM, a 1993 Yamaha TDM850. It's the old bug eye version, it's like Gen 1. They don't come in these colours. This is a custom paint job. Looks pretty sweet. A little bit dirty, but just ignore that. Yeah, she looks good, I think. There's the exhaust. Bit bodged on, but it's on. Sounds good. A big engine, looks huge. It's a dry sump engine, so under the seat that's where you put your oil, and it feeds in through that pipe at the bottom there. And that's where your oil filter is. But yeah, it's nice. This came with Scott oiler, automatic chain oiler. It's got R1 front brake calipers on it, which are awesome, and HID headlight kit, which is also awesome. Yeah, it's a nice bike. It looks good. Big comfy thing. So I enjoy it. See if I can get a bit of the sound for you. It's in gear. That always helps, doesn't it? There it is. Ticks over nicely. I can't get this off the bloody light though. I have to do something about that. I got the decibel killer in a minute because it's very loud without that. So yeah, sounds good. I enjoy it. Let's get back on the road. Oh, policeman putting their thumb up because they know me. That's great. Always good that when police know you. So it does wheelie, but it's taken me a bit to do it because I'm used to CBR. But yeah, it's a cracking bike, absolutely cracking bike. Like I say, it's so comfy. It feels more like a really large supermoto. Like obviously it's not in the supermoto category because it's heavy. Also, it's just not a supermoto. Fuel wise, I can get about 200 miles to a tank. Over the CBRs, 140 miles to tank. It costs the same to fill, 20 quid. So I mean, it's pretty good on fuel. So yeah, that's happy days. Like, obviously no fuel gauge on it, but I don't see why that's a problem for people, because you just watch your mileage, you know, when you first get the bike, fill her up, and then ride it until it hits reserve, and then whatever your reserve mileage is, that's where you're gonna run out of fuel. You know when you hit say 200 mile and you have to chase a reserve, you know you've got to you're getting close to needing a fuel station. But yeah, so it's got obviously speedo, rev counter, temp, it's got high beam, indicator, neutral and all that lot down there, the lights for it. Not much on the bars, it's just standard stuff. Yeah. Can't expect much for a 26-year-old bike, so it's all good. I like my old bikes. I've been looking at another bike. As you know, well, as some of you know, I had a crash with a truck on that roundabout that we just come off, actually. Finally, there's offers going back and forward, so I'm actually going to get some money out of it. So I've been looking at a Phaser thing, because I mean, they're comfy and they've got the old R1 engine, so there's plenty of power. Yes, they're not tuned the same, you know, it's better mid-range than top end on them. But yeah, I'll be comfy with a lot of power, I think. Probably, well, they definitely won't be as good on fuel, being an inline 4 and 1,000 with power, but it's whatever, innit? So yeah, I suppose this is my owner's review of the TDM. It's a good bike, very good bike. Put it in the 5th gear, top gear and make an overtake. Just roll on and it just pulls. Then, okay, yeah, the CBR was a lot faster, but I would have had to drop probably 2 gears then to overtake like that. Whereas you just keep it in top gear and just roll on. And it's a lazy bike, to be fair. It's very lazy. See if you can make it pop. No. So. Roundabout's awful. Bloody awful. Can't see a thing. There we go. Right. 3, 2, 1. And we're away. So yeah, I've got to stay in this lane all the way around here to get off here. It's a very weird roundabout. Right, let's give it some. Revving past the red line, it goes over 100 mile an hour in the 3rd gear. I know that's not a lot, that for, you know, 850s and 1000 whatever, but yeah, it just pulls so well, so well. I'm happy with it anyway. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So I guess I'll catch you all in the next one. I mean, the video should be coming more frequent now, so happy days. Alright guys, see you later.